Good day sa ating lahat. So for this video, ang i-discuss ko sa inyo is about arithmetic sequence. So especially how to find the nth term in an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so to start, ano nga ba yung arithmetic sequence? So suppose we have this sequence. So we have 3, then 9, 15, 21, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, we have 3, then 9. So kung i-observe nyo, nadagdagan siya ng 6. Same thing with 9 and 15. Kaya nakuha yung 15, nag-add ng 6. 6. And then, kaya naman nakuha yung 21, nag-add naman ng 6 sa 15. So basically, nag-add ka ng constant para makuha mo yung next term. So yun yung general idea ng arithmetic sequence. Na kung titignan natin, let's say we have 3, that will be our first term. Okay, so to denote the first term, we will use subscripts. Ayan, yung 1. Kaya may 1 na maliit dyan to denote na yung 3 ay unang term. So, yung 9, that will be our A sub 2. Then yung 15, that will be our A sub 3 since third term siya. Then yung 21 ay A sub 4. Now, so tignan natin kung makakapag-come up tayo sa isang general formula para sa arithmetic sequence. Kung papansinin nyo ulit, di ba, this is 9, and then nakita natin, ito ay 6. So kung titignan natin, yung 9, nanggaling siya sa 3 plus 6. Or, yung 3, that will be our A sub 1. Tapos yung 6 natin, let's say that is D. Okay? D or D common difference. When we say common difference, yun yung constant na na-add sa pagkuha ng next term. Okay? So ngayon, tingnan natin, i-observe natin kung paano natin sila makukuha yung mga terms by using the first term and the common difference. So ito, yung 15, that will be 3 plus 6, plus 6 pa ulit. Kasi diba nakita natin yung 9, yun yung 3 plus 6 natin. Pag dinagdagan mo ng 6, mapupunta ka na dun sa next. So that will be 3 plus 6 plus 6 or 3 plus 2 times 6. Kasi dalawang 6 na yon. Or that will be A sub 1 plus dalawa ng D. Okay? Tapos ganoon din dito. Yung 15 ay 3 plus 6 plus 6. Dagdagan mo na lang ulit ng 6. Diba? Para makuha yung 21. So that will be 3 plus tatlong 6 na siya. Or that will be A sub 1 plus tatlong D. Ayan. So kung makikita natin ulit, para makuha yung A sub 4, yung pang-apat, kailangan mo ng A sub 1 tapos tatlong D. Yung A sub 3, A sub 1 tapos dalawang D. So yung A sub 2, A sub 1 tsaka isang D. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung nth term, let's say, ito ay 2, isa lang ang kailangan mong D. Pag 3, dalawa yung kailangan mong D. Pagka A sub 4, tatlo yung kailangan mong D. So malamang, based on that pattern, pag kinuha mo let's say yung A sub 10, 9 na D yung kailangan mo doon. Kung naobserbahan nyo yun, bali may minus 1 siya. Diba? So parang pag 4, A sub 4, tatlong D lang. Pagka A sub 3, dalawang D lang. So may minus 1. So therefore, you have, the formula will be A sub n equals A sub 1. Bakit may A sub 1? Ayan, nakikita nyo, laging may A sub 1 dyan. Plus, kung ano yung value ng n kailangan yung minusan ng isa. So kaya n minus 1. Then multiplied by d. So this will be the formula that we can use to find the n term of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so let's have an example. So find the 16th term of an arithmetic sequence 5, 8, 11, 14, and so on and so forth. So, ang kailangan nyo lang sa formula, you have a sub 1 or the first term. So, dito ang first term is 5. Then, you also need the common difference. So, saan may kita yung common difference? Dito. Ilan yung nadadagdag sa kada term para makuha mo yung next term. So, as you can see, we have 3. Kasi yung 5 naging 8. Yung 8 naging 11. So, 3 yung nadagdag. And then we have to get the 16th term. So, A sub 16. Okay, so A sub 16. Yan. So, using the formula, A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, we have A sub 16 equals our A sub 1 is 5 plus our n is 16. 16 minus 1 times the common difference which is 3. So pag sinimplify natin yan, meron tayong 5 plus. O, pag minusin nyo muna, 16 minus 1, that will be 15. Then times 3. Yan. So di ba PEMDAS, ang PEMDAS, pag may multiplication, yun lagi uunahin nyo. So kaya 5 plus, multiply nyo muna to. 15 times 3, that will be 45. And then, 5 plus 45, so the answer is 50. So therefore, A sub 16 will be 50. Okay, so another example. Find the 18th term of an arithmetic sequence 4, 15, 26, and 37. So ganun lang ulit. Kailangan mo yung first term. Ano yung unang term dyan? 4. Then, kailangan mo yung common difference. Ilan yung na-add? 4 naging 15, 15 naging 26, 26 naging 37. So therefore, 11 yung nadadagdag. Ayan. And then, so we get the 18th term. Okay, so to get the 18th term, so using the formula again, A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So we need to get A sub 18. So that will be 4, yun yung first term, plus, ang n natin dito is 18, this one, minus 1, multiplied by the common difference, which is 11. So simplifying further, we have 4 plus 18 minus 1, that will be 17, times 11. And then again, 4 plus, ang kailangan nating unahin is yung multiplication lagi. Pag ang kasabay niya ay addition. So we have 17 times 11. So that will be 187. Okay? And then lastly, A sub 18, that will be equal to 4 plus 187. So that will be 191. Okay? So another example. What is the common difference of an arithmetic sequence with A sub 1 or first term, that is 4, and A sub 8 or the 8th term, which is 25. So again, pwede nating kunin yung... So how are we going to solve this one? So again, we have A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times common difference. So we need to find the common difference. Ayan. So pwedeng i-substitute nyo yung A sub 8. So you have A sub 8 equals A sub 1 plus you have 8 minus 1 times D. So we have A sub 8 equals A sub 1 plus yung 8 minus 1, that will be 7D. Ayan. So since given naman ito, pwede natin i-substitute. We have 25 equals 4, yun yung a sub 1, plus 7d. So paano po ginagawa yan kapag ka-equation? So 'di ba, we have 25 minus 4. So bawasan natin ng 4 on both sides para matanggal yung 4 na ito. Yan. So we have 21 equals 7d. Since d yung kailangan natin, we need to eliminate 7. So we need to divide by 7. So we have d equals 3. So therefore, the common difference is 3. Last example. So if we have 5th, 6th, and 7th term as negative 3, 1, and 5, what is its 18th term? Okay. So tingin ko meron ditong dalawang way kung paano natin siya sasagutan. Okay, so the first one is this. We know that a sub 5 is negative 3. Ayan. And then we know that a sub 6 is 1 and a sub 7 is 5. Then we need to find a sub 18. Ayan. So kung makikita nyo, since magkakasunod naman to, 5th, 6th, and 7, we can get the common difference. So yung negative 3 naging 1, tapos yung 1 naging 5. So therefore, the common difference is 4. So since may common difference na tayo, we just need to find the first term. Okay? Paano natin makuha yung first term? Kahit anong gamitin nyo dyan, makukuha nyo yung first term. So for example, gamitin natin yung a sub 5. So di ba, ang a sub 5, that will be equal to a sub 1 plus 5 minus 1. Kasi a sub 5 times d. So we have a sub 5 which is negative 3 equals a sub 1, yan yung hinahanap natin, plus 4 times d, common difference, which is 4. So we have negative 3 equals a sub 1 plus 4 times 4, that will be 16. Okay, so subtract 16 on both sides. So we have negative 3 minus 16 equals a sub 1 plus 16 minus 16. So ma-eliminate na natin yung 16. Matitira na lang a sub 1 and that will be negative 19. Okay? So since meron ka ng a sub 1, meron kang d, makukuha na talaga yung 18th term. So that will be a sub 18 equals a sub 1, which is negative 19, plus 18 minus 1 times common difference, which is 4. So we have negative 19 plus 17 times 4. So to continue, we have negative 19 plus 17 times 4. So that will be 68. Okay, 68. Then, yung final answer natin will be a sub 18 equals negative 19 plus 68 or 49. Okay, so we have 49 as our 18th term. Okay, so that will be our first solution. Another solution will be like this one. So since ito ay 5, 6, 7, 5th, 6th, 7, ibig sabihin wala tayong first term, second term, third term, fourth term. 4 na terms yung unknown. So parang kung ang technique is yung a sub 5, kung ito ay gagawin nating a sub 1, so parang umatras siya ng 4 na terms. So yung 18th term, aatras din to ng 4. 14th term na lang ang kukunin natin. Okay, so the idea is, gagawin nating first term yung 5th term. So, aatras yun ng 4. So, yung hinahanap natin na 18th term, aatras yun rin ng 4. Kaya 14th term na lang. O, hindi kunin na natin. A sub 14 equals, ang A sub 1 mo na dito, negative 3 na. Ito na yun, yung A sub 5. Plus 14 minus 1 times 4 pa din since yun pa rin yung common difference natin. So we have negative 3 plus 13, yung 14 minus 1, times 4. So that will be negative 3 plus 13 times 4, that will be 52. Ayan. And then 52 plus negative 3. So 49 pa rin yung sagot. So therefore, we can use this method, yung tatanggalin nyo yung apat na terms na nawala, or you can use the first method na ginawa ko. Ayan. So to conclude, that will be all. Yan lang po yung mga ways to find the end term of an arithmetic sequence, of course using the formula. So thank you for listening and watching this video.